Hey, what's up you guys? It's Chris Bernard. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. Mis amores, hoy les tengo el video que siempre me han pedido por Facebook, por Instagram, por Snapchat. Es el video que más me piden y aquí se los tengo. Basically an eyebrow tutorial on how Chris Bernard does his eyebrows. I'm gonna be showing you guys how I do my eyebrows. Like, you're gonna learn how to do your eyebrows today. If you don't, that means I didn't teach you right. Así que si quieren aprender como yo, Chris Bernal, me hago mis cejas, sigan viendo el video. So without further ado, let's get on with the video. So to start off my eyebrows, I use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz in the shade Granite. The thing I do first is I brush my eyebrows. And what I like about it is that it has a spoolie at the end, and at the other end is the product. So I go in with the spoolie side first. By the way, you guys like my mirror? I bought it. It's cute. Since he came out with that, I was like, I need to get that mirror. I need to get it. And I got it. Aquí solamente vamos a cepillar las cejas. So once I'm done brushing my eyebrows, I use the other side. What I'm going to do first is I'm just going to do a line under my eyebrow. But I'm not going to start here at the front. I'm going to start like right there. Estoy haciendo una línea debajo de mi ceja y como pueden ver, no empecé desde enfrente donde comienza mi ceja natural. I like to do weird faces when I do my eyebrows. And then once I do that line, I do the same thing on the top, but I don't start all the way at the front either. Ahora estoy haciendo lo mismo que hice abajo. Recuerden, no empecé desde enfrente donde comienza mi ceja natural. Dejé un espacio. Como pueden ver, mi ceja ya está agarrando forma porque nomás lo que estamos haciendo aquí es delineando la ceja. And now I'm just gonna go in and fill my entire eyebrow. Just start filling in the bald spots, basically. Ahora estoy rellenando mi ceja y como pueden ver, empecé desde la mitad. And it's okay if it doesn't come out perfect because we're gonna go in with concealer to clean up and make it way better. So you could do it as messy as you want. And then I go in with the spoolie side again and I just brush my eyebrow to blend in the product. If you don't do that, you leave chunks in there. No se les olvide cepillar la ceja porque así es como difuminan el producto. And then when I finally get to the front, I just do like little light strokes. I don't go in too harsh. And then remember, always blend. And I'm gonna go ahead and do the same thing on the other eyebrow. Cuando me acerco enfrente donde comienza mi ceja natural, en esa área es donde uso menos producto, para que no se miren muy oscuras. And then once I'm done doing my eyebrows, I go in with the e.l.f. Cosmetics 16-Hour Camo Concealer, and I use the shade Light Beige. And all I do is, I get some and I put some in the back of my hand, and then I go in with my Morphe M124 brush, and I'm just gonna clean up my eyebrow underneath, make it as straight as possible. Y ahora con corrector estoy limpiando mis cejas. Y lo que esto hace es que mis líneas se vean mucho más derechas y mis cejas queden perfectas. Así que recuerden, cuando se estén pintando las cejas, es normal hacer un cochinero porque para eso pasamos con el corrector después para mejorar esas líneas y que tus cejas queden perfectas. So once I'm done concealing my eyebrows, I go in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow in the shade Granite. Y ahora con el gel para cejas con tinte, estoy cepillando mis cejas para peinar los pelitos y aparte les da un poquito de color. And I am done with my eyebrows. So I'll be right back and I'm gonna go do my makeup off camera. By the way, do you guys like my lash extensions? If you're looking to get your lashes done here in Phoenix, follow Lash Babe AZ on Instagram and book your appointment. I'll go ahead and leave her Instagram down below in the description box so you can go ahead and follow her. Así es como yo me pinto la ceja. Ojalá hayan aprendido algo de este video. Si les encantó, give this video a big thumbs up. And if you haven't yet, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to click on the little bell so you can always get notified when I upload a brand new video like this one. Go ahead and share this video and leave a comment. And if you guys have any suggestions of what you guys want to see in my channel, let me know. By the way, I want to say thank you to all the new subscribers I've had since I posted my last video. I remember I was at 100 and something, and right now at the moment we're at 291 subscribers. Like, thank you guys so much. Los amo, los quiero, los adoro. I appreciate it. Thanks for the support. And as always, los amo mis amores, and I will see you guys in my next video.